In the draft committee report, the following matters were exhaustively deliberated upon. Number 1, obstruction of inquiry. Number 2, misuse of confidential funds. Number 3, interference and bribery. And number 4, systemic flaws in the Joint Circular 2015-01. The submission of spurious and questionable acknowledgement receipts were established, dubious or fabricated with fictitious, repeated names, similar handwriting, and predated and antedated acknowledgement receipts. We received a certification from the PSA claiming that no such name exists, the name that were mentioned in their acknowledgement receipt.
Iminungkahi din ng komite ang pagsasampa ng criminal, civil at administrative charges laban sa iba pang opisyal para pa rin sa technical malversation, falsification at maging paggamit ng peking dokumento, perjury, bribery, corruption of public officers, plunder, betrayal of public trust, at culpable violation of the Constitution o sadyang paglabag sa saligang batas.